Ever find yourself scrambling on a busy weekday morning, juggling multiple pans just to make eggs, bacon, and toast? I used to face this chaos daily until I discovered the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast station. This incredible gadget has dual griddles and a toast drawer, making it a breeze to cook a full breakfast all in one place. The healthy ceramic nonstick surface ensures easy cleanup, and the built-in timer means no more guesswork. Just set, cook, and enjoy. Imagine effortlessly preparing pancakes, veggies, and sandwiches too. So, why struggle with multiple pans and messy counters? Don't wait. Grab your Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast station now and revolutionize your mornings. Order today and make breakfast easy and fun.
Whatever you do, do not buy this vacuum sealer. It's seriously just going to change the way you store food forever. I mean, who wants an 80 kPa powerful suction that gets it done in just seconds? You definitely don't want a product that saves you energy and time like this. Trust me, keeping your food fresh for over 5 times longer is overrated. Who needs that when you can just toss everything in the trash? Plus, you don't want an easy-to-use design with a sliding cutter, right? It's not like saving time with one-touch operation is any fun. So yeah, maybe just ignore this amazing product. But if you do decide to live your best life, get the MEGAWISE vacuum sealer. Seriously, try it out before your food goes bad.